Yes guys, welcome back to a familiar scene where you're trying to take your wheel nuts off and you've come across these covers covering the wheel nut. A lot of people shove a screwdriver in here and do this and that and damage the plastic, or they shove a bigger screwdriver and make it fully round like this one, or they shove a screwdriver or something pointy in the side and damage the paint off the rim. As you can see on this one, it's been done many times. If you look in your toolkit where the lock nut is, you'll find this. All you have to do is put this in the side and yank it out. It might be a bit difficult if it ain't been taken off in a while, but that's how it comes off. It's pretty straightforward, and just take some time and take that out of the toolkit. It'll save you scratching up your rims and damaging the plastic like so. Yeah, anyways, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.